Good evening guys! For today's video is samahan po ninyo ako mag-unboxing ng aking certificate dahil natanggap ko na siya today, July 17, 2026 via pick-up sa aming LBC branch Tayabas. Okay, first of all, thank you so much Ma'am Daisy Marasigan for giving me a 100% free CFD training. At ngayon po ay natanggap ko na ang aking certificate at samahan ninyo ako guys na buksan ito. Itong certificate na ito is magagamit natin siya sa ating upcoming DepEd ranking. Okay, para sa 10 points. Okay, thank you so much Ma'am Daisy. Hulog ka ng langit sa akin para maka-avail ako ng 100% free CFT training for DepEd ranking. Okay, buksan natin po siya. Okay, teka baka mapunit natin yung certificate. Okay, napakabilis ko po itong natanggap. Bale, kung di ako nagkakamali, yung aking pong training, which is 240 hours, ay natapos ko siya 3 weeks kasi marami po akong ginagawa kaya hindi ko siya nadire-diretso. And talagang pinagtuunan ko ng pansin, especially yung TRF, yung Teacher Reflection Form, kasi ang alam ko ay malaking points din yun once na nagpa-ranking po tayo, kaya kailangan natin siyang ma-perfect. So, hopefully. Pero tinignan ko kung ano yung mga pinag-aralan kong mabuti, kung ano yung dapat paghandaan natin in terms of answering TRF. Okay. Wow. Gift voucher. Oh, may gift voucher pa. And ano ito? Kaligtasan sa biyaya ng Diyos. Okay, thank you so much, Lord. And my first certificate. Okay, my first certificate, ayan. Certificate of Participation for completing a training program entitled Computer Skills Development Training Improving Classroom Learning through ICT 80 hours. Okay, next is Computer Skills Development Training Learning through ICT. Ay, meron para siyang photocopy. Ang galing naman. Tapos, meron din po tayong participation of skill demonstration. Ayan. Ang galing. Ang dami. Ayan. Early Childhood Development Teacher Skills Development Training. Again, 80 hours. And another photocopy, authenticated copy. Ayan. Ang galing naman. Ang daming certificate. Bongga. Ang bongga mo, Ma'am Daisy. And last, upskilling and reskilling, teaching and supervision skills training, another 80 hours for a total of 240 hours. Thank you so much, Ma'am Periwinkle, Ma'am Daisy Marasigan. I already received my certificates. Ang daming certificates. And iingatan ko po ito. And thank you po. God bless po sa inyo. And sana po mas marami pa po kayong aspiring teachers na matulungan. And thank you po and God bless.